I think you're modest about this, but I believe you're really fighting to change this addiction type therapeutic movement that we have, where we collect people's money over and over and over again, claiming that their healing is going to take place over years, and you can do it in a 1-hour session.
People haven't got time to spend 7 years in therapy, and they don't need to. And we have this belief that the brain is so complicated. Actually, it really isn't. You don't need to spend years and years having therapy, reading books. You can change like that. You can transform in minutes if you know how to do it. And I know how to do it, and I'm going to show you today something amazing.
Marisa has been voted Britain's top coach by Tatler, by Time Out. She has worked with the royal family. Princess Diana was one of her clients. She works with the who's who of Hollywood. So people right at the top, from princesses to Hollywood A-listers.
I break down how your mind works to just 3 things. It's all you need to know. And when you put those 3 workings of the brain into practice, I promise you, you can have almost anything you want. You can have an extraordinary business. You can have a beautiful relationships that last. You can have the kind of body and health and fitness you want. You just have to understand the workings of your mind and simplify it.